Welcome to the new series of Amazon webinars from Sell Beyond. My name is Eloise Finch. I'm founder of Sell Beyond, and I'm delighted to welcome Mario, who I'll allow to introduce himself.
Hi, I'm Mario. As Eloise said, I'm with Sell Beyond. I'm an Amazon seller myself. Started in 2017.
So just to recap before we move on, I had a lot of people come in with some things about what their challenges are. A lot of people having challenges with pay-per-click, a lot of people having challenges with buy box. What you're saying is we've got to sort this stuff out before we move on to advertising, before we move on to other things. This is really important.
This is quite important because we have, at least even I did this mistake in the beginning. You say, oh, okay, I want to sell on Amazon and how you bring sales, etc. And you don't think how Amazon sees you or how Amazon raises you, and affects actually your sales, your profit, whether how you get your buy box, if there's somebody with your same price, etc. It affects costs, and it also affects if you're saving money, because you can save money by just looking at some data that Amazon provides for your own business. Yeah. I'm not saying don't do advertising. What I'm saying is it's something that you need to keep an eye on, because just having advertising and having your PPC or your listings in good health, let's put it this way, it's not enough. There are other things that Amazon expects you to do. Okay.
Okay. Other things that Amazon expects us to do. Let's have a look.
So I use the word avatar, okay, for your profile on Amazon. So basically, seller in your account on Amazon, let's say, rate it. When you open an account, the first 3 months, I think you are just given you're like in honeymoon period. Let's put it this way, with Amazon. So they just let you do whatever you like in a way, but they will be monitoring you and they will be building your profile, which I call avatar. And this is based on how well your listings perform, how well your stock is maintained. Basically, how well your stock is maintained is if you're running out of stock or you're supplying enough stock so that not overstocking. Okay, so either you your supply is not enough, or you're overstocking. So that is monitored. Okay, your general feedback. So if your products as a seller, people are commenting on you that you're not offering a good service or you're offering a good service, it depends, and your reviews about your products. There are other factors which I won't go in. I'm just going to tackle a few of these today. So you control all this through your listings, basically. So your active listings can either be FBA or FBM. FBM is fulfilled by Amazon, okay, and FBM is fulfilled by merchants. So fulfilled by Amazon is Amazon does everything for you. You send it to them and they ship it to the customer. They take returns and all those things. While fulfilled by merchant, it means that you have to send the product yourself and take care of any returns and things like that. So that's the difference.
That could be you could literally go to the post office with a jiffy bag and have products in your bedroom, or it could be you pay a third-party warehouse to deal with all of that for you.
Yes.
If you've FBA, at some point you've made a big shipment of stuff to Amazon, and Amazon is then dealing with everything else.
Yeah, correct. So there is active listings, as I was saying, and inactive listings. Active listings is what you are selling right now, and inactive is listings that you are either going to sell in the future or that you are selling, but you don't have in stock anymore right now. So it becomes inactive, not because you run out of stock. You can also have incomplete listings that you are listing but you haven't finished.
That means you have finished the writing or the details,
yes,
not the product
yes,
finished, but
yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. And then listing removed. So maybe there was an error in the listing, or Amazon found that your product is defective, and so they removed it. But it's still on your listing as such. You still see it on Seller Center, but it's deactivated. So those are 4 areas that you need to tackle, basically.